a tectonic shift in lending and borrowing. So hi, what's going on YouTube? This is Zeeshan Hurmaz and back with another best video. In today's video, I just want to talk about the TECTONIC project, and I just want to give you complete A to Z detail about this one project and all the related link about this one project you'll be getting in the video description, so you can check them all one by one. Before I start, a small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and entities about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project, and please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss any video from Zeeshan Hurmaz. So let's get started regarding TECTONIC. Basically, what is the beauty of TECTONIC, and I am already reviewed this one project many times, but right now once again I come back to the main best video about TECTONIC project. So you can see this is basically generate passive yield on your assets. And if you look to this one project, the APIs of this one project is completely flexible. There's no lookup available for this one project, and you can see they are already mentioned that which I am clear already in this video. Crypto assets deposited in TECTONIC on attractive APIs based on the dynamic rate according to market demands. Earnings are available immediately within no lookup. No lookup means that and also there is a great and best APIs. APIs means that you will be receive a percentage on your investment on the annual yield. And basically, if you look to no lookup means that if you look to Trust Wallet, PancakeSwap as well as MetaMask, so there's too much staking, there's too much APIs who are provided by them, but there's a 100% lookup on your balance. Like they if you want to withdraw, if you want to unstake your token, so in that time you will be not able to unstake your token directly. So means that if this project getting a huge spike, and that time you want to sell this one project, so in that time you will be not able to solve this one project because of their main lookup. And if you look to TECTONIC, TECTONIc is give you completely flexibility. So anytime if TECTONIc getting a huge spike, and that time you will be able to easily receive too much income from their sides as well as of the lookup price. And the second one is the main spike you will be get, and you will be taking main important advantages of the no lookup of staking, and as well as the second one is from the huge spike. And right now I just want to scroll down, and you can see there's instant liquidity at your fingertips. So basically if you look to this one project, if you want to refresh your website, if you want to refresh your wallet, so in that time you will be directly received your instant liquidity, because this is basically liquidity of your balance, and they will be give you a complete passive income from their sides. And if you look to keeping your funds safe in our top priority, so basically if you look to this one project, we must be look for the main important things, like they are a trusted project, this is a scam project or trusted project. So I just want to give you some important example of others project. If you wanted to look to the main trusted or scam project, so you must be look to the main their smart contract is clear from any audits. This is an important point. And the second one is this project is listed on the bigger exchanges, because bigger exchanges didn't allow any scam project. They just want to gain some important BTC from the main owner of this project. So you must be look to any project. This project is available on the bigger exchange. And the second one is you can also check out the main white paper, how can they become to the blockchain world. And if these three things is clear from them, so we can see this project is trusted project, and which is done by them, by TECTONIC project. And you can see there's some important question about the TECTONIC token. You can see what is TECTONIc. TECTONIc is a decentralized non-custodial logarithmic money market protocol. User can deposit assets to earn passive income or borrow funds to earn liquidity in their assets. How does TECTONIc work? Fund deposited by user or provided as a liquidity to borrowers who are may borrow at a variable interest rates. A TECTONIc smart contract adjusts these rates based on each market utilization rate. So this is some important about that, and you can also check out this one detail. I'm already clear this one point. After that, I'm directly looking for the main community. What is the community of this one project? How much community they have? So if you look to the community is almost 53.1k followers, which is increased day by day, because in the previous video I'm already reviewed this one project many times, but in that time the community is almost around 45, 44, and right now if you look to this one project, the community is almost up to 53.1k followers, which is a too much better community. And basically this is powered by the Kronos, and you know about the Kronos. If you are crypto holder, if you are crypto traders, you must be know about the Kronos community. And after that, I'm directly looking for the main how we will be able to buy this one project. So you simply connect your wallet with them, and if you connect your wallet with them, if I am click on that, so you simply connect your wallet with the MetaMask wallet connect and crypto.com wallet extension. So here is the three type of extension: wallet connect and crypto.com wallet, and as well as MetaMask. But MetaMask is allowable for all countries, and the crypto.com is not allow for the Asian countries. So you must be download the add to your extension box the MetaMask wallet, because MetaMask wallet is too much flexible than others. Yeah, there's too much gases, but in the other exchanges, in the other wallets, there's also too much gases except Pancake Trust wallet, and there this project is not working on the BEP20 token. That's why I'm not recommended that, because you will be lose your balance in this one platform. So this is some important about that, and this is a basically CRO. If you want to stake your CRO on the main TECTONIC, so you can see right here. You can also check out, it is almost up to 1.98 percentage. This is I think this is APYs of different projects. So if you want to stake your tokens, you can also stake this one token as well as. So I'm directly looking for the Tonic token. So I'm just want to scroll down, and if you look to Tonic token, TECTONIC governance token, so if you look to this one project, this is almost pay you 14.13%, which is too much better, because if you want to invest almost up to $1,000 in this one project, so in that time, in the annual period, you will be receive almost up to $140 easily from that sides, and you will be also getting the advantages of the main spike of this one project. And right now I'm directly looking for the main trading waves, because trading waves is also too much important for us, and there are some people who want to study about the trading waves, but I'm already predict this one project many times. So if you want to invest this one project, this is completely trading on their main supports, which is created by them in a previous day. So there's also some important community comments on that project. This project will be bullish zone, and this project will be listed on other exchanges. So basically if you look to this one project, I'm 100% give you important about this one project. There's a three type of benefit of this one project. The one is a staking benefit, and the second one is no lookup of this one project, and the third one is completely trading on the main support. And if you want to buy this one project, and I'm directly scroll down, and you can see if you want to buy this one project, they will be give you almost in a year up to 97.44%, which is too much better. So I'm already told about that. If you want to buy this one project, you can buy this one project from crypto.com exchange and VVS Finance, as well as you can also check out this some important about this one project. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon, so you won't miss an update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.